The T-Track clamp, an indispensable tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative clamp is designed to work seamlessly with T-Tracks, aluminum tracks that you can easily install in your workbench or jigs. What makes T-Track clamps so effective is their remarkable flexibility. They glide smoothly along the track, allowing you to position them precisely where you need to secure your workpieces, which is especially beneficial when dealing with irregular shapes or long boards. Unlike traditional clamps, T-Track clamps won't get in the way, making your workspace more efficient. Equipped with a reliable locking mechanism, these clamps ensure your materials stay securely in place while you work, whether you're routing, sanding, or drilling. Plus, they're compatible with a variety of tools, including router tables and drill presses, making them a versatile addition to any workshop setup. If you're serious about enhancing your woodworking experience and looking to boost efficiency and accuracy, the roller stand, an essential tool for anyone working with long or heavy materials like wood, metal, or pipes. Whether you're in a workshop, on a construction site, or part of a manufacturing line, roller stands are designed to make your job easier and safer. They allow materials to glide smoothly while being cut, welded, or processed, and come in various forms to suit different tasks. For example, adjustable roller stands are perfect for setting the right height, while portable versions offer flexibility to move around the workspace. Conveyor-style roller stands are ideal for moving materials down a production line with ease. By incorporating roller stands into your workflow, you can boost efficiency, improve precision, and reduce strain on your body. Stick around as we show you how to choose the right type of roller stand for your needs and demonstrate how they're used in real-world scenarios. The WORX WX176, a powerful and versatile cordless drill and driver designed to make your projects easier and more efficient. What sets this tool apart is its dual rotating chuck system, which allows you to switch between two different bits in seconds, no more fumbling with bit changes during a project. Powered by a 20V max lithium battery, it delivers consistent performance and extended runtime, so you can work longer without recharging. The WX176 is lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle, especially in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Plus, it features variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed for different materials, ensuring precision and reducing the risk of damage. The integrated LED light provides extra visibility when working in darker areas. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the WORX WX176 is the perfect tool for drilling and driving tasks, offering convenience. Woodworking Therapy, a fantastic way to relax and improve your mental well-being while engaging in a rewarding creative outlet. This therapeutic practice allows you to immerse yourself in the calming process of cutting, sanding, and shaping wood, providing a mindful escape from daily stressors. As you focus on the task at hand, you'll find that the rhythmic motions can help alleviate anxiety and promote a sense of tranquility. The beauty of woodworking therapy lies in the tangible results of your efforts. Every piece you create serves as a reminder of your accomplishments, boosting your self-esteem and sense of pride. Whether you're crafting furniture, toys, or decorative items, the act of creating something with your own hands can be incredibly fulfilling. Plus, woodworking encourages problem-solving skills and patience as you navigate challenges along the way. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, woodworking therapy is an enjoyable and effective way to unwind, connect with your creativity, and find balance in your life. The MoJack MJ750XT, your ultimate solution for effortless lawn mower maintenance. This versatile lift can handle most riding mowers weighing up to 750 pounds, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional landscapers. With an adjustable lifting height from 26 to 48 inches, the MJ750XT provides easy access to the underside of your mower for essential tasks like blade sharpening, deck cleaning, and routine inspections. Built from high-strength steel, this lift is designed for durability and long-lasting use. Safety is a top priority, featuring a secure safety latch that keeps the lift stable while you work, giving you peace of mind. The built-in wheels allow for easy maneuverability, so you can effortlessly move it around your garage or yard and store it away when not in use. Say goodbye to awkward lifting methods and streamline your lawn care routine with the MoJack MJ750XT, making mower maintenance quick, safe, Wall chaser is an essential power tool for anyone looking to create precise grooves or channels in walls for electrical wiring, plumbing, or other installations. This specialized tool features two parallel diamond blades, allowing you to make clean, narrow cuts in tough materials like brick, concrete, and masonry with remarkable ease. One of the standout features of many wall chasers is their adjustable cutting depth, giving you the flexibility to customize your cuts based on the specific requirements of your project. With powerful motors, these tools deliver smooth and efficient performance, enabling you to tackle even the most challenging materials quickly. Plus, some models come equipped with built-in dust extraction systems, keeping your workspace clean and improving visibility while you work. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast. Angle drill adapter is a game-changing accessory that transforms your standard drill into an angled drill, making it perfect for accessing tight spaces and awkward angles. This versatile tool is ideal for various applications, from drilling holes in confined areas to driving screws in corners where traditional drills can't reach. With its 90-degree angle design, the adapter allows for precise drilling at right angles, ensuring you can complete your projects with ease. Most angle drill adapters fit standard drill chucks, making them simple to attach to both cordless and corded drills. Built from durable materials like steel, they are designed to withstand regular use, offering reliable performance over time. Some models even feature a rotating head for added flexibility in hard-to-reach spots. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, an angle drill adapter is a must-have tool that enhances your drilling capabilities and helps you achieve clean, Saber Saw is an incredibly versatile and powerful pneumatic tool designed for making precise cuts through a wide range of materials, making it an essential addition to any workshop or job site. This tool is particularly popular among woodworkers, metalworkers, and contractors because it excels at making intricate cuts in tight spaces where traditional saws might struggle. Operating with compressed air, the Saber Saw boasts a lightweight design that significantly reduces user fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably for extended periods without feeling weighed down. Its versatility means it can effortlessly cut through wood, metal, plastic, and composites, making it ideal for detailed projects like cabinetry, furniture making, and even automotive work. With the ability to make straight, curved, or intricate cuts, this tool ensures exceptional accuracy and control, allowing you to achieve professional results every time. Plus, most models feature an easy blade replacement mechanism, enabling quick changes without any hassle. If you're looking to enhance your cutting capabilities and efficiently tackle a wide variety of materials. Dust Shroud is an essential accessory that helps contain dust and debris generated during cutting, grinding, or sanding operations, ensuring a cleaner and safer work environment. Typically used with power tools like angle grinders, concrete saws, and wall chasers, dust shrouds effectively minimize airborne particles, protecting both you and your workspace from harmful dust exposure. They capture dust at the source, significantly reducing the amount of debris that escapes into the air. Most dust shrouds are compatible with various power tools and feature adjustable height and angle settings for a customized fit. When connected to a vacuum or dust extractor, they ensure efficient removal of dust and debris, enhancing visibility and safety while you work. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, using a dust shroud is crucial for maintaining a clean workspace and protecting your health. Chainsaw attachment is a versatile accessory that allows you to convert various power tools into a chainsaw, making it perfect for tackling cutting tasks more efficiently. Designed to fit on equipment like pole saws, trimmers, or even some multi-tools, these attachments are ideal for homeowners, landscapers, and professionals who want the functionality of a chainsaw without the bulk of a separate tool. Most chainsaw attachments are compatible with a wide range of power tools and are lightweight and portable, reducing the need for multiple heavy tools. They feature easy installation mechanisms for quick attachment and detachment without specialized tools, making them user-friendly. Offering the same cutting power as traditional chainsaws, these attachments are perfect for pruning trees, trimming branches, or cutting firewood. Many models also include built-in safety features, such as protective guards, ensuring safe operation while you cut. If you're looking to maximize your tool's versatility and performance,